This is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. I'm showing it to you now. Well, my boss figures that an agency could get like around $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. I would add your photos here in the gallery or your contact details and this link. Or if you have any other info that you want to add about your services or about your company, you can add it here in the services and also about the company here, about this link. Okay, if this website would be good for you or would be helpful, do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention I am Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing and Red Deer. Yeah, thank you. Talk to you soon.